Hypothyroidism is a vital topic for PNLE candidates as it significantly impacts patient care and management. Understanding the causes, symptoms, and nursing interventions associated with this endocrine disorder is crucial for your success on the exam. In this video, we simplify complex concepts, making it easier for you to grasp the essentials and apply them in your nursing practice. We also provide PNLE-style questions to test your knowledge and prepare you for the exam environment. Are you familiar with the silent struggles of your patients? Hypothyroidism may be the underlying cause. Hypothyroidism is a condition where the thyroid gland is underactive, leading to decreased hormone production. This can slow down metabolism, affecting energy levels and overall health. Common causes include Hashimoto's thyroiditis, autoimmune disorders, surgical removal, and hormonal changes. Key symptoms include fatigue, weight gain, depression, and cold intolerance. NANDAI diagnosis for hypothyroidism is ineffective health management, crucial for nursing practice. Remember the acronym TREAT for essential nursing interventions. Test your knowledge. Which symptom is not commonly associated with hypothyroidism? A. Fatigue. B. Weight loss. C. Cold intolerance. D. Depression. May I know your response? The correct answer is B. Weight loss. Patients typically experience weight gain due to slowed metabolism. Medical workup includes thyroid function tests to assess hormone levels and diagnose the condition. Treatment options primarily involve thyroid hormone replacement therapy and lifestyle modifications. Use the mnemonic FATIGUE to remember critical nursing considerations. Reinforcement MCQ. Which complication is associated with untreated hypothyroidism? A. Hyperthyroidism. B. Myxedema coma. C. Goiter. D. All of the above. Got an answer in mind? The correct answer is B. Myxedema coma, a severe complication of untreated hypothyroidism. Early recognition and intervention are vital in managing hypothyroidism effectively. For more nursing resources and exam preparation tips, subscribe to our channel and join our community. Empower yourself with knowledge and make a difference in your patients' lives.